Hey, man.
How you doing?
Good. I'm Zane Bowers.
Brendan Lamb. Nice to meet you.
It's a pleasure to meet you. How can I help you today?
Well, I've been going around and seeing these Brinkleys. They look really awesome, and I figured y'all had one out here you can show me.
Well, it's the closest to a house you'll get.
Oh, well, good.
And all the hype is true. I'll just tell you right off the bat. The 3515 is the one you're referring to, correct?
Yep.
What we're going to do, guys, is go take a good look at that for you, and we're going to get you fixed up.
I appreciate you.
All right?
Let's do it.
It's a pleasure. Let's go.
Cool.
So I know you were looking at the other Brinkley with Zane. Yeah. This might be one you're interested in. It's a Brinkley Model Z Air 285. It's a couples coach travel trailer. Some really nice features, like one, it has auto level.
Sweet.
Up here at the front, so one push of a button. It's going to completely level out your camper so you can get set up and get to the grill, right?
Yeah, man, that's cool.
Keep all your propane and your batteries right here in the battle box. Really slick outside look, right? And
Yeah.
The lights covered by the LED.
Yeah, that
LED
thing's
lights
a
covered.
mean coming down the road. I like that.
Oh yeah. Tons of pass-through storage.
Oh yeah. Wow.
Fit just about anything in there, right?
Mother-in-law suite.
Yeah, right? You got your sound system, hot and cold outdoor shower if you need to rinse the feet off before you go into your nice coach.
Okay.
You're able to do so. 2 powered awnings on the outside, so you get that extended coverage. You get the one right here over your door, and then the one on the side of the slide. Solid steps at the entry also with the telescope and handrail.
Okay.
Makes for easy access inside, right?
Yeah. Are these like self-level? You got to level them out with everything else?
No, I mean, yeah, so they're real easy. If once you get them on the ground, you can lift them out like that. They'll pop out.
Cool. Okay.
Each leg's independent, so you know you're going to be nice and stable.
Sweet.
And then you have these super nice LED lights underneath too, so you see what's going on, right?
Yeah, that's always the hard part about the camping is you don't have enough light outside.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
When you're coming inside, you can see it's nice and bright as well.
Yeah.
Tons of lighting.
Plenty of headspace.
Oh yeah. Got your speaker right above you for nice tunes. You got one at the back.
Plenty of prep space on the counters.
Oh, I know, right? Right here in the island.
Yeah.
The upgraded faucet.
Okay. I can get used to this. We got beds here that come out, or any of these beds?
So the dinette will lower down, and then you got 2 theater seats here for reclining.
Recline flat?
Correct.
That's cool. Oh yeah.
So the kitchen's nice and decked out. You got your oven in this one, 3-burner, propane stovetop.
Propane's huge.
Right?
Yeah.
Backsplash goes up like so.
Very cool.
Comes back down for some extra counter space, not like you really need it.
Plenty of spaces for pans and seasonings.
Yes, sir.
Oh, and you've got a little fireplace down here.
Which really keeps you warm. 5,000 BTUs.
Yeah.
They really work, you know.
That's sweet.
Got the televator right above it.
Yeah.
TV goes in and
Oh,
out.
it comes in and out.
Yeah.
All right. Fridge, full size?
Yeah,
Hey.
12 volt,
Yeah.
residential like refrigerator. You got tons of space side by side with your freezer on that side, right?
Oh yeah.
The nice thing about this is it's going to run off your battery, so while you're going down the road, you can actually have your groceries in the fridge. They're going to stay nice and cool.
That was the issue with my last one.
Okay, yeah, that'll happen, yeah. They didn't know about this back when.
No. Yeah, that's a 90s camper Airstream for you.
Yeah, for sure.
Cool,
See
what
over
about
there, you got your nice coffee bar.
Yeah, and is this
Pantry space behind, right here. Adjustable shelf.
Oh, it's got lighting in there too.
Oh yeah.
Sweet, man. Okay, is that what is that?
That's just an access panel.
Furnace. Okay, gotcha. Man, I love this.
Isn't it amazing? Going back this way.
The wife's gonna love it too.
Oh, I'm telling you, this is really what the wife's gonna look.
Yeah.
Tons of space in the bathroom. You got that nice one-piece fiberglass shower. I mean, I don't even have a shower head like that at home.
Yeah, I don't
Isn't
either.
that amazing?
Plenty of height.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's one of the other things. I always have to bend down.
for sure.
This is great.
Fantastic fan. And then here in the bedroom space, we got the north to south bed. Tons of space underneath.
Oh, great.
So look at that. You even have a hidden safe down there at the bottom for you for all those goods you got.
Keep the stuff away from the kids.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Got a shelf up top. You got plug spaces on each side. Tons of wardrobe space. You get the second fireplace here in the bedroom to keep you nice and toasty.
Another TV.
Yes, sir. And you can even put washer dryer here
Oh, really?
in the bedroom.
Okay.
So I mean, you're ready to go for weeks, months, or
Yeah.
as long as you need to.
What's the towing weight on this thing?
This is 9,200 pounds dry.
Wow.
So the GVWR is somewhere around 13,
Okay.
14.5.
Hey, F-250 can pull it just fine.
Oh, for sure. You're gonna be set and
I
ready
love
to go.
that. Yeah. Man, thank you so much for showing me around. This is great. Let's take sales. Let's go.
All right. I really appreciate you coming out, man. It's been a fun time.
Yes, sir. Let's do it. Let's go.
Yeah. They didn't know about this back when.
No.
Yeah, that's a 90s camper Airstream for you.
For sure.
Cool. What about